Instruction STA 16-bit address. It states that at 16-bit address, whatever the data which is saved in accumulator will be moved to this address. Let's suppose the 16-bit address be 3800H and the data which is saved in accumulator be 14H. Then this data 14H will be get saved in 3800H memory location after this operation. Thus the number of bytes will be 3. The first byte for our STA opcode, the second byte for our 38H and the third byte for our 00H. Effect will be no effect. Operation will be whatever the data which is at accumulator will be saved to the memory location 3800H, that is 14H is saved to 3800H. The clock diagram of our instruction STA 16-bit address. First of all, output fetch, which will be switched on at T1 ALE, then ALE will be switched on at T5, then ALE will be switched on T8, then ALE will be switched on at T11. At the starting T state of OF, MR, MR and MW. Next is higher address bus, which carries the higher address. First of all, it will carry 24H, then again it will carry 24H, then again it will carry 24H, and at the end of memory write, it will carry the address on which our data is carried, and we have considered that address be 3800H, and as the higher address of this 3800H is 38H, therefore this will carry 38H. Next we have multiplexers, which will carry first of all the lower address, then our data. Thus the lower address of our first address 240H is 00H. Then we'll carry the opcode of our instruction STA. Then we'll carry the lower address of 2401H, which is 01H. Then its data at this address, which is 00H. Then we'll carry the next address is 2402H. Its lower address is 02, the 02H, and the data at this address 38H. Then we are writing 14H data on our 3800H. Status line values are 011 for output fetch, 010 for memory read, and 001 for memory write. Now the memory is reading the opcode of our instruction STA 16-bit address. Then memory is reading 00H, then memory is reading 38H, and then memory is writing 14H at the given address 3800 at memory location. Thus at other output fetch, memory read and memory read, WR bar will be switched on and only be switched off when writing is going on by the memory. Thank you.